Tonight's episode of Bottom Gear. We have Frog Car bottom text. Hammond drives it off the cliff. James May goes to Thailand. And Jeremy Clarkson inhales a lot of fumes. All that and more in tonight's episode of Bottom Gear. Alright, we got the fucking power steering rack to do. Ethan is picking up his car. Alright, I'll jump in him. It's probably blown. I just cut the downpipe off. Turbo.
It is empty.
This is the down. This is what. It was like this. It was like this the whole time. Ready?
When something breaks, you can only go better.
Fuck it. Changing max. So we're gonna clean up some parts. Step number 4. Connect electricity. Don't reciprocate saw your bracket on your condenser. Put a hole in it like I did. Fuck it, I've decided to paint the bay. Without taking the engine out, of course. Fuck that off, piss that off, piss this off, fuck that off. And give it paint. And then I looked at my clutch thingy bracket. It was like this. Pretty groovy, isn't it? Look at this whole joint. Took the carpet out, cleaned it, and fixed a bit of rust. Look at the mold. Look at the mold. What we're doing is fucking pissing off the battery. Just chopping some stuff. Fuck this off so we can make stuff a lot neater and nicer. So bolts. Now I can fucking prep in. And a lot of this area too. Very cool. I'm gonna leave that shit because CDF. Shit's piled up. Alright. Time to... Oh, under there we got some ports. Give him one of these. Oh, that looks tough. Hold him right there.
Get it done. My hand's gonna get fucking hot quick. My turn. Ah! Why did it? Fucking great.
The battery's about to die. I mean,
I wouldn't walk any further.
right. Okay, despawn.
Chin-ups on the pink engine bay with the baby.
The baby car. This is the best tool ever invented. Oh wait, almost the best tool. Well, second to your mum's vibrator.
Where are you gonna start this side? May as well because it's already touching.
Hit that shit. Fuck yeah, he's gonna be a sturdy boilie now.
I ain't need no fucking ladder. Fucking
Up he goes.
half animal, half man. I'm in the sparkle machine.
Hey boy.
Actually, fun armor up.
Oh fuck yeah. Oh yep.
But it should be right. Hey man, what's going on?
Nismo power brace.
Fresh from Nish, man.
It looks very saucy. Surely.
It is.
It's like 19 degrees, 20 degrees. And it's the best! Apologies fellas, let's get to work. Give him a bit of a... and then paint him orange. Same with him. And then we can chuck the GK Tech lock kit on him. Let's fucking give that another shot. Fuck. It's done.
Very likely.
That was a cunt. Back when it didn't have lock kit and I cut the rack ends off so it would fit, but now no fit. Very bad. Bruh. Let's roll this fucking thing out of here.
The E85 smelled good when it was burning.
Fuck yeah, it smells heaps nice. VTEC machine. Still not work, but work soon.
I'll be the buffer between the cars.
Speed up.
Right off the cliff. Your carpet.
Bird blocks engine. Bon Jovi Apple TV. Yum. Finish sanding him pretty much. Just gonna fucking mask him up, etc. Whoa, what's happening here? Long boy cover.
Yeah.
Look how long it is.
4JZ.
4JZ. 19.5 JZ. 4J. It's time to make a mess of this thing. Yeah.
One thing I hate about the 80 is I'm fucking like this, trying to work on it.
Yeah.
And then you literally have to hop in the engine bay.
It is done. Can't really see it right now, but it's just sparked it. A bit of water got on it from the gun because it compresses shit. Jack's valve cover. Very tough. My SR. Dmax brake booster. Calipies. Barbecue time again. Let's go.
Like, oh, it's not orange tonight, and then boom, straight up orange.
But soon it will be Origin night at Ningy.
Queenslander!
That is so tough.
Oh, that actually looks fucking sweet.
Look how cool that looks.
Hey, Northway vibes, that's what we're on about.
Pretty tough vibe. Oh, that's a cool fridge.
Oh, hey. Fuck the grip tape.
That was tough.
No.
Yeah, the boilies. Bruh. Nice.